Okay, so it is that time of the day. It is going on 12 and we're all hungry. Sam and I've got Islam and Abbas and Faraz, of course yours truly. We decided to do a bit of a test to do some of the food delivery apps. Now I am a Deliveroo queen, I guess, and we've got Sam here. Sam, what do you use?
I'm on Uber Eats.
Okay.
With Talabat.
All right. Abbas, what are you on?
Now.
And finally,
Zomato.
okay, so we've got 5 delivery apps that we're all going to order the same thing. We've got a very juicy burger from Giant Rockets along with the fries and a shake. We're all ordering exactly the same thing. We're going to put our phones down and see exactly how long it takes for each of these apps to deliver our food. All our phones, we're going to get ready to place our orders. All right, Abbas, count us down.
3, 2, 1, go.
And we have liftoff. All right, so all of our burgers are supposedly now being sent to the restaurant. We're waiting for delivery confirmations from some of them. Yep, there we go. And yeah, let's see who gets fed first. Okay, so Islam, what's your ETA for lunch?
12:46.
12:46. All right. Anything for us?
Nothing.
Nothing. All right. Sam is definitely a fussiest eater. What have you got as an ETA?
12:50.
12:50. Is that acceptable? Just got a notification that my rider's on the way with my food. So let's see if he arrives here before the other guys. Okay, Islam, where's your food?
Still on its way.
Still on its way?
Yeah.
Are you happy?
Nope. No. Especially when I know that your order is already here.
Yep. So someone just rang the door. And who is it? It's Deliveroo! Hey! So I get my order first. What's the ETA for you, Abbas?
Not looking good. Initial estimate was 12:44, and now it says 12 more minutes. That makes it 12:54.
Are you hungry?
Yes.
Okay, so I've got my lunch, and Sam has his lunch, and Faraz, have you got your lunch?
Yes.
So we're only missing Islam and Abbas, who are holding us up. How do you feel, guys? What's the ETA?
No comment.
12?
0 minutes.
0
minutes.
0 minutes.
No way. Like,
All right, what's Abbas's story?
Now it's 1:04. Initially it was 12:44. They're already 20 minutes late
Oh,
than what
no.
they originally said.
Oh no.
And it keeps going up and up. I'm hungry. I'm
Abbas is
starving.
not happy. Islam got his lunch. Islam is very happy now.
finally, yes.
Last but not least, it's Abbas. Abbas, be nice.
Thanks.
How's it feel to finally have lunch?
Cold lunch.